Hey, it's Ned. Welcome to Tag Tutors, where I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to ace and explain GCSE question. This applies for all specifications, AQA, EdExcel, OCR, doesn't matter. Get a pen, a paper, and listen. Scientists investigated how temperature affects the rate of photosynthesis. The scientists grew some orange trees in a greenhouse. They used discs cut from the leaves of young orange trees. The scientists used the rate of oxygen production by the leaf discs to show the rate of photosynthesis. Step 1. How many marks is the question worth? The question is worth 1 mark. That means I need to give 1 point. Step 2. What does the command word mean? The command word in this case, why? Why does the leaf not produce any oxygen in the dark? In the dark, there is no light. There is no light. If there is no light, that would impact the oxygen production. So I would write, light is needed for photosynthesis. In the dark, there is no light, so no oxygen produced. The leaf disc took in oxygen. It took in oxygen in the dark. Explain why. Step 1. How many marks is the question worth? Question is what, 2 marks. I need to give 2 points that get me 1 mark each. Step 2. What is the command word and what does it mean? Command word here is explain. Explain means give a reason. Give a reason why the leaf discs took in oxygen in the dark. Explain why. Respiration occurs all the time in living things. The leaf needs oxygen for respiration. I have given 2 points, 1 mark, 1 mark. Here, I gave 1 point for the 1 mark. Explain the effects of temperature on oxygen production in the light when the temperature is increased from 25 degrees to 35 degrees and from 40 degrees to 50 degrees. Step 1. How many marks is the question worth? Question is what, 2 marks? That means 1 mark for this part, 1 mark for this part. Step 2. What is the meaning of the command word? The command word in this question is explain. Explain means give a reason. Why? Give a reason why the effects of temperature on oxygen production in the light when temperature is increased. When we increase temperature, what do we know? Temperature, this tells me thermal energy. Temperature shows that there's an increase in thermal energy or a decrease in thermal energy. From 25 to 35 degrees, point 1, the particles have more energy. When you increase temperature, particles gain more energy. That's for 1 mark. From 40 to 50 degrees. Now we have to look back at the graph. From 40 to 50 degrees, we bring back our graph. We can see from 40 to 50, the graph is declining. It reaches an optimum and is declining. So I need to give a reason why there is a decline. What do I know about temperature? What do I know about plants? From 40 to 50 degrees, there would be denaturing of enzymes. That gets me this mark. I've gotten this mark, and I've gotten that mark for 2 marks. If you have found this video useful, please like and leave a comment. Subscribe and share with your friends. The aim of the video is to help you. Until next time.